Good morning, everybody. This is Todd with the Forex Nitty Gritty Insiders daily video. Hope you're having a fabulous day today. And as we look at the markets, we've seen some dollar strengthening here over the last week, but a little bit of a reversal on the movement that we saw happening. Today's an interesting day just from the standpoint that we have the market getting prepared for the FOMC meeting. And hopefully you're aware of that. If not, you are now. And that's going to happen today at 2:15 Eastern Time. So you want to make sure that you are prepared for that. Now, that means looking for opportunities to adjust your stops, your targets, those types of things. And what you'll notice, and even if you don't trade during FOMC, and I don't think today's going to be a huge FOMC announcement, but the market typically will get skittish a little bit before, a little bit after, and so take some time to watch what happens as we get closer to that. And you'll see how the market can get choppy and move all around. Right now, gold down 17.11. Oil's down below 90 to 86. Again, as low as it's been for a while here. And so things are moving. The euro dollar here on the hourly chart, you can see we just had a quick little push up over the last couple of hours, and the ECB president has been speaking. He's also going to speak in about 30 minutes from now when new home sales come out here in the U.S. And so that's going to lead to some volatility in the market, some choppiness. And then the Bank of Canada has its press conference this morning from its interest rate announcement yesterday, and then the FOMC statement at 2:15 Eastern. So be prepared for all that. And sometimes staying out of the market is the best course of action. One of the things that we'll look at today is the fact that overall on the euro dollar, we are seeing this downward trend. And when the market is moving down, we want to look for the times where the price moves back up towards the resistance area. And so as we look at this particular chart here, you can see that trend is moving down, lower lows and lower highs. Price dropped down to support, bounced up off of it towards resistance. And now what we're going to look for is simply the ability to enter into this when it moves below the lowest low of the last three. Move this over just a little bit. Right now, let me get rid of this line. The lowest low of the last three, and we cannot count this current bar, is right here. So this current bar is still moving. When that closes, which will be in 30 minutes, we'll be able to adjust that up. Now, hopefully these candles will get smaller and we'll be able to move this up to a better place. But right now, it's quite a ways away. Now, if we go to the 30-minute chart, the lowest low of the last three is right here. And you can see the difference is about almost 20 pips on there. But if we look at the hourly chart, we've got a little bit of time for that to happen. Now, scanning through the rest of these, we've had some pretty good movements overall. This is the Aussie dollar 1 hour time period. Kind of up towards some maybe resistance here. US Swiss franc. Pound dollar. Strong move up. US Japanese yen. Maybe a nice little flag pattern. Triangle pattern. Looking for a breakout. And last but not least, the CAD. Pulling back here a little bit. So anyway, take a look at that. Make sure you understand the simple trading method rules. Be prepared for the FOMC today. And we will be back tomorrow to see how that reacts. So until then, have a great rest of the day, and we'll talk to you soon.